Hello, little friends. Meet Tilly the turtle. She's shy, but curious. And today, she's going on a slow and steady adventure. Want to come along? But before we set out, Tilly has something she wants to tell you. Some turtles love water like fishies. Me, I like a little splash sometimes, but I'm more of a land explorer. Tilly may walk slowly, but she notices everything. A buzzing bee, a tiny ant parade, and even a flower dancing in the breeze. Here's a little fun fact. Turtles carry their homes on their backs. It's called a shell. Look, a butterfly has stopped to say hello. Tilly doesn't say much, but she's great at making gentle friends. After her walk, it's time for a little swim. Turtles love water. It helps them cool down and relax. Tilly's day is almost over. As the sky gets darker, Tilly finds a quiet place to rest. What a lovely, slow and steady day it's been for her. Did you enjoy spending the day with Tilly? She really hopes you did. Tilly wants to play a little game with you. Can you guess who has a shell like her? Point to the animal that carry their homes on their backs. That's right. The snail is another animal that carries a shell on its back, like Tilly does. Would you like to color Tilly, or draw your own turtle friend? Ask a grown-up to check the description for a fun printable worksheet. Thank you for joining Tilly's on her slow and steady day. Don't forget to subscribe for more gentle animal adventures, stories and songs.
Little hearts, big dreams, come and play. Stories, songs, and fun each day. Laugh and learn, come join the fun. At Little Hearts Heaven for everyone.